Around 3,700 miles of use, I heard a slight scraping noise when using the rear brakes. Before removing the wheel, I'll give it a spin to check to see if the rotor is warped. And it looks good. Remove the snap ring retainer, the pad axle, then the pads. The noise I heard was likely the spring making contact with the rotor. The area where the brake pads contact both sides of the rotor is still fairly smooth. I'll clean both sides of the rotor with isopropyl alcohol. The thickness of the rotor is about 68 thousandths of an inch. Clean the pistons off with some canned air. And then a final cleaning with some alcohol. Printed on the wheel side of the caliper is the brake model number, BR-R8070. On the Shimano website, you can find a parts diagram for the brake model and the compatible pads. Both resin and metallic pads are compatible with this model. Some rotors cannot be used with metallic pads. The original L03A pads are superseded by the L05A, which are supposed to be 40% more durable than the L03As. The side of the box lists the BR-R8070 as compatible. Shimano's updated compatibility chart also confirms that these are the correct pads. To make room for the new thicker pads, push the pistons back. Use something plastic. A lot of people use tire levers. You get 2 pads and a spring in each box. So assemble the brake pads and the spring. And there is a right and a left. The right side faces the wheel. After reinstalling the wheel, give the brake a few squeezes. Don't go out for a ride before bedding in the pads. Here's a list of guidelines for various situations. Do this if bedding in new resin pads on a used rotor. Find a long flat area or one with a slight downhill. Go about 15 miles per hour, apply the brake you just replaced, and slow down to a rolling stop at about 5 miles per hour. Do not lock up the brakes. Repeat this step 2 to 4 times or until you feel a consistent bite. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.